It looks like people in Missouri have become sick from eating McDonald salads. The Department of Health is investigating 7 cases. All had eaten at a McDonald's restaurant prior to becoming ill. Officials in Iowa and Illinois say a parasite in the salads might have caused an intestinal illness in recent weeks. McDonald's removed salads from 3,000 restaurants, including some right here in Missouri. Symptoms include watery diarrhea, loss of appetite, cramping, bloating, increased gas, and nausea.